video, I will cover few Java interview and questions and answer that frequently asked in interview. First question is why Java is not 100% object oriented? Because in Java we use the data types like int, float, double, etc. which are not an object. Second question is what is the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM? JVM, a Java Virtual Machine, is an abstract machine that enable your computer to run a Java program, while Java Runtime Environment (JRE) is a software package that provides Java class libraries, Java Virtual Machine, and other components that are required to create and run a Java application. JDK, Java Development Kit, is a software development kit required to develop application in Java. JDK contains all the components that require a developer to develop an application. So we can say it contains JRE, several development tool, interpreter, compiler, archiver, documentation generator and other tools that require to develop application. JDK is equivalent to JRE plus development tool and JRE is equivalent to JVM plus libraries classes. We can say like that. Next question is what is OOPS? The main idea behind Java object-oriented programming OOPS concept include abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Basically, Java OOPS concept let us create working method and variable, then reuse all or part of them without compromising security. Next question is what is the difference between heap and stack memory in Java and how Java utilizes this? Stack memory is a portion of a memory that was assigned to every individual program and it is fixed. On the other hand, heap memory is a portion that was not allocated to a Java program but it will be available for use by Java program when it is required. Next question is what is a method overloading and method overriding? Basically, overloading occurs when two or more methods in one class have same method name but different parameter, while overriding occurs when two methods have same method name and parameters. One of the method is in parent class and other is in child class. Overriding allows child class to provide specific implementation of a method that is already present in parent class. Next question is what is the difference between set and list in collection? List is a type of ordered collection that maintains the element in insertion order, while set is a type of unsorted collection. In set, elements are not maintained any order. List allow duplicate element while set doesn't allow duplicate elements. Next question is what is a hash collision in hash map and how it is handled in Java? The answer is a collision or more specifically a hash code collision in a hash map is a situation where two or more key objects produce the same final hash value and hence point to the same bucket location or array index. Hashmap handle collision by using a linked list to store map entries ended up in the same array location or bucket location. In Java 8, hashmap replaces linked list with a binary tree. When the number of elements in a bucket reaches certain threshold to handle frequently hash collision. Please note that Java hashmap is not a thread shape, hence it should not be used in multi-threaded application. For the multi-threaded application, we should use concurrent hashmap class. The next question comes, what is a concurrent hashmap and how it works internally? Concurrent hashmap, it allows concurrent access to the map. Multiple threads can access map. Part of the map called segment, it is the internal data type structure word, is only getting locked while adding or updating the map. So concurrent hashmap allow concurrent thread to read the value without locking at all. This data structure was introduced to improve performance. Next question is what is the checked and unchecked exception? A checked exception is the exception that occur at compile time. These are also called as a compile time exception. This exception cannot simply be ignored at time of a compilation. The programmer should take care of this exception. Class not found exception, file not found exception are example of a checked exception. While unchecked exception is the exception that occurred at time of execution. These are also called as a runtime exception. These include programming bugs such as logic error or improper use of an APM. Runtime exception are ignored at time of a compilation. Null pointer exception, arithmetic exception are a few are unchecked exception. Next question is, how does garbage collection happen in Java? In Java, garbage collection is the process of managing memory automatically. It finds the unused objects that are no longer used by the program and delete or remove them to free up memory. In a garbage collection mechanism, user uses several garbage collector algorithms. The most popular algorithm that is used is a mark and sweep. The next and last question is, differentiate between the thread class and runnable interface for creating a thread. Basically, thread can be created by using a two ways, by extending the thread class, by implementing a runnable interface. However, the primary difference between both the ways are given below. By extending the thread class, we cannot extend any other class, as Java does not allow multiple inheritance. While implementing the runnable interface, we can also extend other base class if required. By extending the thread class, each of thread create a unique object and associate with it. While implementing the runnable interface, multiple threads share the same object. Thread class provide various inbuilt methods such as get priority, is alive, run, start, and many more. While runnable interface provide a single method, that is run. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel, and please add comment in comment box if you want more video regarding Java. Yes. Thank you once again.